Hey folks, Eric here with Pimp My Grill. Thank you very much for purchasing one of our Gen 2 rack systems for your Ledge or Daniel Boone or your Peak and Jim Bowie model Green Mountain grills. Now in this segment, we're going to show you how to get it installed. This is how you can expect them to arrive, wrapped in plastic, and that's going to protect them until they're installed and seasoned properly. Now stay tuned and we'll show you just how easy it is to put them in. Okay, first remove your stock Green Mountain grates and then locate either the left or right hand rack bracket. Now this one happens to be the left hand side because it has the rotisserie bracket here. Now something you may have noticed on our Gen 2 rack system is the implementation of the fine tuning adjustment screws. Now every Green Mountain is not exactly the same. Some vary from grill to grill. This one happens to have walls that are a little tapered in, so I've removed the two top fine tuning adjustment bolts. You can either remove them, adjust them out, whatever it takes to fit perfectly in your Green Mountain grill. So once you've located that left-hand rack bracket, we're going to set it into place. We're going to adjust the set bolt here so that it fits snugly in place, and then we're going to simply press them in. Now you can use a hammer to tap the rear struts here, and that's going to make sure it's fitting firmly against the wall. Now do the same with the right hand bracket. And for some insurance, you can take a 7/16 wrench and tighten those bolts in place. Just be sure to tap on the struts with a hammer and make sure those brackets are firmly against the walls of the grill. Now to install the racks, our openings for the racks are in the rear of the rack brackets. So take your first rack, you'll notice the pins stick out on the left and right hand side. We're just going to simply tilt those to get them past the grill opening. We're going to slide them over the rack brackets into the opening. We're going to slide out, they'll hit stops. We slide them right back in. We'll do that with the second and third shelf as well. Now whether you bought the single short rack system, the 2 rack system, or the 3 rack system, they can all accommodate 3 shelves. So if you want to add shelves to it after the initial purchase, you're welcome to do that. Now with this middle shelf, you'll notice that the rotisserie bracket is here, and I'm just going to lift up and go over the top of that rotisserie bracket. And finally, the third shelf. Now something I'd like to mention is that our racks are reversible, so if you'd prefer the expanded steel to sit a little deeper against the frame, just flip it over and you'll have a nice edge to keep things from rolling off. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Now if you noticed your racks not sitting completely on the bracket ledges here, this is where your fine-tuning adjustment screws come into play. So take those brackets off, extend those screws out a little bit, either on the top or the bottom, whichever shelf needs it, and then it'll hold those brackets in a little bit so those shelves can sit more securely on it.